Good day, ma'am. We are going to present our final case study for this term. Um, we are tasked to create a point of sale for ITC C105 in Victor Shop, and the program should only accept product code quantity to get the amount and it could with the grand total of the customer's transaction. The first output of our program should be the product information that contains the code description and the unit price of the said products. And there's a question pertaining to us asking if you want to purchase an item or no. If yes, then we should go to the sample output number two, the purchase order. The purchase order should contain the selected product code, a quantity that the user wants or the customer wants, the amount of the product, and a question if he wants to add another item or not. If 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 the product is available, then it will print available, and if not, it's out of product or out of stock. Um, if a user doesn't want to add an item and press N, then he should see a receipt like order information with the code description, unit price, quantity, and the amount, and the grand total of what he buy. He bought what he bought. Then another question, if a new customer wants to buy or no. If yes, then you should go back from the start. If no, then it is stop. It should end. And let's go to the coding.
So yung first part ng output 1 is created a loop that will go infinite unless broken with the line break or continue. Then yung next part is we print the first setup display of the output 1. Dun makikita yung location, yung name ng computer shop, yung product code, pati yung unit price. Then the next part is the declaration of the codes, description, and price using arrays. Ginamit namin dito is string and double kasi yung string is for character strings and yung double is for real numbers. Then yung next part is we output the arrays as choices. Tapos yung last part ng output 1 is we ask the user if he or she will purchase an item via yes or no question in J option pane. Then that's the end of the first output.
Following that, we simply display the second output's heads-up display. Then we declare all of the values that will be used within the program. After the declaration, we inserted a loop to make sure that the user does not exceed the 5-item limit when adding new products to their cart. Then we ask the user which product he or she wants to purchase through a drop-down menu form, and we ask the user about the quantity. Also, we add switch cases based on the item code that the user selects so that the program can decide what happens next and where to save them. The values that the user enters. For example, if the user selects A001 code, the program will keep the item code in item 1, the quantity in quantity 1, and the amount total in amount 1. Then we print the purchase order record with all of the switch cases collected data. After that, we ask the user if he or she wants to add a product again. If the user responds yes, the program will loop again and repeat the process it used in the initial item order. But if the user selects no, the program will break the loop and proceed on to the next output, which involves the order information.
You can print any text you want with the command as long as the command system outprint. The process, mag-i-stop lang siya pag nakuha na yung problem 1 to 5. At mag-no lang siya kung ito yung outcomes of increase of 6. The total amount, mag-print yung total amount 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Next.
Then pagtapos nun, pagtapos na i-output yung total amount ng last customer, magpa-prompt siya ng another question kapag magkakaroon ng bagong customer. Kapag nag-yes yung bagong customer, gusto niyang bumili, babalik yung code natin dito sa part na to. dito sa part na ito nga. Dito. So, ito, mag-output ulit ito. At ulitin niyo yung process. So, let's try the program. Try natin bumili. So, asan na yung output? So, ito, print niya yung... Saan na? Okay, let's try again. So, ito nga yung first output natin, yung product information. So, let's try to make a purchase, 5 items. So, we have a purchase limit of 5. And after that, mag-output siya ng out of product. So, ibig sabihin, hindi na siya magpo-proceed sa purchase. And then, pag ito yung natin, ito yung second output natin na gusto natin ma-achieve. And after that, nag-prompt ulit siya ng, in-output niya yung total amount item ng binili ng customer, tsaka grand total. So, ito, may question na new customer kung bibili pa ba, kung may bagong bibili. Kapag nag-yes ka, babalik siya from the top. Itong code natin is hindi siya natatapos unless na mayroong break. Doon lang siya pwedeng matapos. Dahil dito sa from the start, we used an infinite loop. So, hindi siya pwedeng matapos unless may break. So, that's all.